2,580 homes sold in January in only 11 days. Inventory continues to remain constrained, and the mortgage finance forecast calls for existing home sales to reach 6.4 million homes this year. It's Friday, February 4th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. So let's take a quick look at market activity since last week's report. 882 properties were listed this past week as coming soon. 973 homes came to the market. 605 went under contract. 1,304 are temporarily off the market. 1,147 went to pending. 1,470 properties settled, selling in 11 days at a median sales price of $359,900. The highest sale over the past week was in Potomac's Falconhurst for $3,750,000. CoreLogic reports single-family rent growth hit its sixth consecutive record high. Annual rent growth was more than 3 times that of a year earlier. Rent growth should continue to be robust in the near term, especially as the labor market continues to improve. Right now, Maryland has 1,328 properties for lease at an average of $2,379 per month. Most rentals are going under application in just under 23 days. According to the 2022 Rental Affordability Report, home ownership still remains the more affordable option for average workers in the majority of the country because it still takes up a smaller portion of pay. If you are contemplating making a move this year, get our 2022 home buyer or home selling guide for free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. And if you'd like to chat about your specific situation, reach out to me at 443-222-0857. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute for February 4th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay warm and safe out there.